and welcome back to another snake cave video. Today I will be showing my chickens. These two here are at the back Strawberry and at the front Smudge. Smudge is the leader of the pecking order and she'll she'll always keep an eye on you. But Strawberry here loves her food. Whenever I come out the back door, she'll always come rushing towards me wherever I am. Just look. Come on, Straw. Well, she usually does. I think she got a bit traumatised by being pecked by her best friend. But, yes, these two are very noisy. So if you're going to get a chicken, you better be prepared for the noise. And then I have 3 more chickens. These are new. They're about 3 months old. So, this is Goldie and Eggcup. Goldie's the one that is Goldie is the one on the right, and Eggcup is the one on the left. Now, and then over here we have Fawkes. Over here is a dead chicken. Well, actually, it's gravestone for a dead chicken. Her name was Oinky, because she made these little oink sounds, and she died quite recently as well. We got her in 2015, and she died in 2021. So, another thing about chickens is that if you're going to get a chicken, you might want to get multiple chickens because chickens are very social animals, and still, even though they can't fly, you must remember that they are still birds, and that like if you go out into the park and find some pigeons or something, they'll get scared quite easily, and so will chickens. See, they're running away from me right now. And stress will cause them to die. So if you're planning on getting chickens, don't handle them or stress